Lloyd Banks versus Fabulous. I don't know how this came up, why it came up. I think folks are just bored at this point. If you're asking J Red, who I think is the better rapper, better artist, in 2026, I'll say Fabulous. If this was 2003, 2004, I would give it to Lloyd Banks without question. But from 05 on up, I'll give it to Fabulous. Reason being is because Lloyd Banks just didn't sound the same after Hunger for More. The punchlines. I feel like Lloyd Banks was like the punchline king outside of Cassidy in that 2003, 2004 era. Now, he still put out, some decent music because I did like Hunger for More too. I bought that album. It was pretty good. You know what I'm saying? But when you're talking about bars, most recently in the last decade, you got to go with Fab.